This is Tim here from Your6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use an auto clicker on your Android phone. You can see I have an auto clicker right here that I'm just setting up, and I can just press play now and it's going to keep clicking on the screen. So these are really easy just to set up. The only thing that's annoying is a lot of these are just ad supported. So if you go to the Google Play Store right here, I have an auto clicker, auto tapper right here that works well. Just go to search and type in auto clicker, and we can find it under here. So this is the one I'm using, auto clicker, auto tapper. You can look at the other ones down here, but this one seems to be okay. And then I can open this up. You just have to accept the permissions on it, and once you do, you can go to multi-point or one-point mode and go to start, and then you can decide how frequently you want this, every 100 milliseconds, seconds, or minutes. So I just have it set to every 100 milliseconds is going to press the screen. Then you have to choose where you want it to press, and then you want to press play. So just like that. Now it's going to keep pressing the screen, I believe every 100 milliseconds. So you have the option to pause it, or you can cancel it out right here. So you can move it around. Now you can go to a different application too, like if I want to go back to the Google Play Store, then I can press play under here. Then I think I have it set up to 100 seconds or something like that. Every 100 seconds it's going to press the screen. So if you don't like that, you can just end it right now. You can go back to the application, and you can go to stop. So you don't need to save the script unless you want. So we can go back here and we can go to start. Every 100 milliseconds, okay, that's good. And we can go to play. Just that easy. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.